In this video, we see the next numerical problem which was asked in the year 2014 in IIT JEE question paper. The problem again involves some hybrid concepts. These are the use of trigonometric identities and functions. Let's see what the question has to say and let's get started by solving the problem on our own. Let's read the problem. Let's get started. The question tells me check whether f of x wherein k is the subscript and the values are sin power kx minus cos power kx upon k, where x belonging to real numbers, k has the restriction that is greater than equal to 1, and I want to find the value of f4x minus f6x. The question is simple, the only thing is the solving part. It is a bit lengthy and tedious. f4x means what? The value of k is given to me as 4. So that means k is equal to 4. So you just put the values, you write f4x is equal to sin raised to the power 4x minus cos raised to the power 4x upon 4. How did I get about this? I just saw that k is equal to 4 in the question. Now what next I need to do? I need to put minus sign of the question and f6x. That means the value of k is now 6. So k is 6. So it means sin 6x minus cos 6x upon 6. And this can be written in a bracket because it is involving two terms with the negative sign. Now what next? The next step is to take minus 1 by 4 outside, which can be written a bit more clear, and write the formula of sin raised to the power 4x minus cos raised to the power 4x. So what is the formula of a ki power 4 minus b raised to the power 4? It is a square plus b square minus 2 times sin square x cos square x. How did we get this solution problem? What is the way that I found out this formula? You just need to open this formula and you will see it matches with sin raised to the power 4x minus cos raised to the power 4x. Those who already practice a lot of questions on trigonometry might not find this a bit more uncommon and unique. Now we close this bracket and we go about writing the formula of the next term. What is the next term? The next term is involving power 6. Now simplify it, minus 1 by 6 becomes common. What is left? We are left with sin raised to the power 6x minus cos raised to the power 6x. What happens? We just open it the same way, sin square x plus cos square x whole cube because it is power 6 minus 3 sin square x cos square x. Again, how did we get this formula? You open it, you find that this formula's answer matches with sin raised to the power 6x minus cos raised to the power 6x. Now what happens is, I know one more thing, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. So 1 by 4, 1 square is 1, 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x. This bracket closes. Next is what? Minus 1 by 6. You write it here. Again, sin square x plus cos square x is 1. 1 cube is 1. One more thing, this should be made more clear. So it is square. 1 minus 3 sin square x cos square x. Now we are left with very simple terms. You open the bracket, you find it is 1 by 4. Next what you find? These two things are multiplied. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So it becomes minus 1 by 2 sin square x cos square x. Next what we have is minus 1 by 6 into 1, minus 1 by 6. Again, minus minus becomes plus. 3 upon 6 is 1 upon 2 sin square x cos square x. Do you see that there are some terms which can be cancelled? What are those terms? Minus 1 by 2 sin square x cos square x and plus 1 by 2. So both these terms get cancelled. What is left? 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. Solve 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. What is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6? It is nothing but as 1 by 12. You take the LCM, you solve it, you get 1 by 12. So which option is 1 by 12? It is option number C. So in this video, we saw a question which was asked in JEE Mains 2014. The question involved, as I said, two concepts: knowledge about putting values in the function and trigonometric identities.